शांति निवास चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट न्यूजीलैंड लॉकडाउन के दौरान खास तौर पर जो सबका साथ है प्रोग्राम के द्वारा कई सारे लोगों तक पहुंच रहे हैं और ये प्रयास अभी भी जारी रहेगा। और आप सबके लिए आज ऑफ कोर्स हमारे साथ नीलिमा जी हुए हैं और निनित नाथू जी हुए हैं, जो हमारी कम्युनिटी में बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं, लोगों की सहायता के लिए हमेशा तत्पर रहते हैं और हमारे शांति निवास के साथ भी इनका बहुत अच्छा रिश्ता है और ऐसा लगता नहीं कि हम कभी अलग थे। और ये सबका साथ है, हमको और भी जोड़ने में कामयाब रहा है, जो अच्छी बात है। तो हाय ननित, हाउ आर यू? नमस्ते, केम छो?
Jai Sri Krishna, namaste to you too, Hemantji. Well, my boy as well.
Namaste.
I'm so used to saying my boy with you.
I know.
And Nilima ji, of course, thank you very much for having me on the program today.
Indeed. So नीलिमा जी, आज हम कौन सी बात, क्या बात कर रहे हैं ननित जी के साथ, बताइए।
हाँ जी, first of all, thank you Hemant ji, and thank you Nanette for coming on this show. I know you have been following this show and putting your very lovely comments and likes. Thank you so much for that.
That's sat here.
I know, and each other's support at these times means a lot to us and to everybody.
More so ever.
Yeah, and Nanette, we all, a lot of people know about you, but many of our seniors might not know about you. And we know that I've known you for so many years, and you've been a volunteer with the Auckland Indian Association and so many other places, working so hard for the upliftment of the community. So would you like to tell a little bit about your community involvement?
Starting to make me blush here, Nilamiji. Well, first of all, my passion is the crime prevention work that I do with Auckland City District Police. And Jessica, our sister, which we all call our sister, I think, has, I've created a real good bond with her and sort of working, and I loved doing the videos. So the crime prevention videos were the first one, and that was a milestone for me too. And just to make people aware, you know, we can have, like the COVID plan, not everyone wants to read and go through or print. So what I had thought was, all we need is a 1.5 minute little video clip, but the visual, and you don't need to have it all in subtitles because that's where your expense comes in. And so I said to Sis one day, I said, oh, look, you know, could we put a few videos in just to help out on shop robbery, on 111 calling, and just intimidation. And sort of, and so, and that was the start of that. And sort of, you know, I was very proud of that. And we have workshops ongoing, not as many as we'd like, because once again, the dairy people who we're focusing it on, they're actually busy in the shops. But, and then I'm always pumping, even at Noratri, you know how many thousands come through our door at Mahatma Gandhi Centre. So another first was to have our police table there. And for that, it was actually more so to interact and say to our public, our community, and especially our children. Our children see the blue uniform and they're scared. New migrants they're not used to just going up to the policeman and sort of talking. You know, what do you say about that one? I've rambled on a bit here.
Yes, I know. You know, I think that is part of the culture. When we raise our children, we tell police aayega, darane ke liye.
Yes. So there's a fear element there. And that we broke. Hammond's been on the table and we've taken photos there, and little children, the first year, who were really scared. One was our own Pandit's little boy, and the last year he was actually taking photos and having handcuffs put on him. So, you know, that just says, hey, look, this is the awareness. We're reaching the people, we're reaching the children that know you can go up to the policeman. You can say, look, I've seen something and I don't think it's right.
Yeah, I've seen a couple of your videos, safety videos, and I think they're very, very good. At some stage, I think we might show them to the seniors of Shanti Nivas when everybody comes back.
That. Yes.
Or maybe even play it on our Facebook, if you can give us a copy of that.
Yes. Even the last workshop that we had, I actually timed it wrong. It was Guy Fawkes Day. But that one, we actually did a mock shop robbery. So the president, he acted as my shopkeeper. My lovely husband, Ronnie, and son, Anil, they helped set up our kitchen servery, which everyone would recall as hot chips and samosas and all of these lovely snack foods. So we turned that counter of ours in the kitchen dining room to look like a dairy shop. And, you know, it was I knew what was going to happen, yet I was shaky when I was doing the 111 call. And Rob Stanton, he's another one of our friends in the blue uniform. He always acts as our robber. Jessica, Neil Pimento. So he's taken on the role of our monthly meetings. And that's another thing, the monthly meetings that we have with the police, we're being in connection. They run such good workshop and speakers every month, as you know. You attend those as well. And so all of that, we try and on forward in the way of a newsletter or correspondence or somehow. Same with at the moment with the COVID and the Office of Seniors, they're sending through information. So I automatically send it through to Dirubay. He's very active with our seniors, and I've started to bring him along to our Shanti Nivas meetings and with the Office of Seniors. And because I play with all my different feathers, Auckland Grey Power Vice President. So one is I'm always sending it to the President and the members there. So, you know, whoever we can reach, Gujarati, Hindi, English, you name it, Punjabi, we all speak the one language with a smile and our hands. One's for us, one's to help others. That's my dad he was well known. His name was Raja, and I get all my volunteering bloodline from Dad.
I know you wear a lot of hats, Nan, and you do a great job in the community, supporting so many people in the community. And I just wanted to go a little bit personal. You know, what have you been up to in this 1.5 months? All your hats, I'm sure, are hanging behind the wall somewhere. So how are you passing your time?
I've actually, my very first office lady, our BP, has just turned 38 years on the 2nd of May. And to my surprise, my very first office lady, Nolene, decided to ring me. And she asked me the same question. And she said, oh gosh, we've got a lot of memories there. And my current office lady, because she's just turned 80, European, and Jeanette, her name is. My husband's Ronnie, he's in the 70 bracket. So even at the BP, we're short staff, and sort of going with the COVID rules with Alert 3, we'll see what it comes on Monday, whereas our PM, her team have really been doing a good job. Because when you look at the global figures and you look at our figures, I mean, yes, we did have 2 new cases today, but really I think we've been in a great position when we look back in hindsight. And sort of between I wear my PPE gear, the mask and the gloves. So at BP, and there's 2 meter distance, Anil has done the yellow and the black stripping to, you know, and sort of because it's BP oil, we go from head office to everything just comes there. So we've actually, I've been busy there. Poor Ron's been stuck at home, but he actually, I got to put a shout out to him. He looks after my Simba. So you heard him earlier. My beautiful, I've been mother to 3 German Shepherds.
Nice.
First one was in 97, and we had him for 13.5 years. And I always say he was a humble gentleman. My second is Simba, and when we were doing the ashes for my first one, we got a phone call, and I had said to my son Prasant was alive, and I said to Pras, we were planting a rose in memory of my first dog, and with Simba, we did everything, the rituals, Pandit, ashes, under the harbour bridge, and like that. And it was the timing, Nilima. So everything happens for a reason for us. Even this COVID coronavirus, it's giving us some opportunities of being at home. All of the cooking, everyone's kitchen's going fantastic. I did sakapara for my grandson the other day, and
Oh, nice.
you know, and then sort of we're trying out new recipes, and then in the evening I go, because it's one in and one out of the office, and blessings that my son Anil, he's in real estate, but he came into the business 2 years ago when I had a funny feeling, and I said to my staff in the evening, I said, look, something's not quite right. I'm going to go home. If I come back, I come back. Everything's in the safe, just dumped it, came home. Only 2-minute drive up the hill. Sure enough, my husband, Ron, was on the lazy boy there, spread out. And his pacemaker had given him a few jolts, like 12 kicks with a horse. And so Anil said to me, Barb, I'm coming in and taking your chair. So he has taken, and he's taken it to another level. And Hemant Hemant, you can probably relate, sort of, we're old school in the way we run things. Even our computer skills, although I'm Kiwi born, you know, we learn what we need to learn on the computer, right? And sort of extra courses or shortcuts, something happens on the PC or on the mobile here, and we sort of, who do we ask for help first? The young ones. And so,
Annette,
yeah,
I think,
it's great.
And I think you're doing a great job as well at the home as well as at your work, and keep going. I think Hemant has got something to say to you or ask you something.
Yeah,
well, with the Zooms, even with the Rotary, so I'm Rotarian as well. So Rotary meetings also. And my first experience there from the isolation organization, because Rotary, we're delivering medication to people, elderly people who can't get out. And, you know, just everyone's been doing a lot of volunteer work in their own ways. Nilima's doing it, you know, on her level. You're doing it on your level, Hemant. And sort of, you just feel good when you can be able to help someone. Same with all the food parcels. That's just incredible.
Indeed.
And it's really nice the way people came together. Yeah. In this situation. Hemant, you're saying something?
Yeah,
sorry.
I think, you know, it's just so timely that, you know, we've been working on these things for many, many years, but never knew that we were going to work so quarterly, and we never knew who was going to pick for what, but we fit into the situation. So I think that's also a blessing, and this is a great, you know, a service that we're all providing, and thank you, Nanette, for doing that. And our seniors, देखो, आप कभी अकेला मत महसूस करो, क्योंकि आपको मदद करने के लिए बैकग्राउंड में कितना काम होता है, डे एंड नाइट, फोन्स, टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस, ईमेल्स चलते रहते हैं, और सबको खुश करना बहुत एक बड़ी बात होती है। दुनिया में you cannot please everybody, but it is with that love, the passion and the commitment, and अपने अपने फैमिली से दूर रह के करते हैं, जैसे नीलिमा जी हैं या ज्योति जी, हमारी पूरी टीम कोशिश में रहती है। नथिंग, ननेट जी की बातों से अगर आपने अंग्रेजी में ज्यादा कुछ नहीं समझा हो, कि वो अपना काम करती हैं, घर का काम करती हैं, और समाज के लिए हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ करने के लिए तत्पर रहते हैं. So hats off, and I think this is what we want to. ऑलवेज, और हमारे सीनियर्स ने भी ये किया है. आई नो कि आप माइग्रेट हुए अपने कंट्री से, अपने परिवार से दूर रहे, अपने चाहने वालों से दूर रहे, तो ये भी एक कुर्बानी है, लेकिन फिर भी आपका आशीर्वाद और आपके लिए हम जो कुछ कर रहे हैं वो करते रहेंगे. सो आई थिंक नीलिमा जी, जस्ट टचिंग बेस ऑन व्हाट ननेट वाज सेइंग, एंड व्हेन आई वाज लिसनिंग टू दिस एंड सेइंग, यू नो, वी नॉर्मली डोंट हियर अबाउट दिस. हमको ये पता नहीं होता है कि बैकग्राउंड में एक व्यक्ति के पास कैसे जाता है. ननेट मासी comes up with a thermos with some cha and she'll say, beta, have this, you know.
Talking about the cha, I should have said to you, would join us for a Zoom.
Oh, thank you.
I had one earlier, so anyway, so I think going ahead in coming days, we will definitely meet whatever the situation of the New Zealand lockdown is. And lastly, before we close this meeting, you know, Nilima ji, we had the Mother's Day in the weekend, and I know a lot of our parents, and we could not meet them physically in person, but our love remains the same. And going forward, we will meet them and celebrate our togetherness. And that's so touchy, you know, sentiments that you share with us, with your family, and you know, this is great to have you as well.
Well, my mum
I would like to take this opportunity to wish everybody a very, very happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to you, Nan, and to all the mothers in your family, and also the Shanti Nivas family.
Well, I'm lucky Roshni extended the bubble when we were allowed to. So yes, with my 3 grandchildren, we FaceTime every day. But just touching on Mother's Day, our mother is our foremost teacher. She shows us love, she shows us discipline, she shows us so many things that we'd be grateful for. And we only have one mother. I'm getting watery eyes now. And bless my one for being up there. And she'd always say when I go, Om Shanti Amke, Baba says, don't cry for me. And I'd always say, Ba, how can you say that? You know, and sort of so we get the strength, we get the faith, we get the hope that we never thought was inside us.
Very true, very true.
Yes, yes. The mahot of everything.
Indeed. So thank you, Nanit. Look, these
Sorry if
sentiments.
I rambled on. I'm a bit of a smorgasbord, Hemant.
No, not at all. It comes from heart. And the other thing is that, see, Nilima ji always, gives us that opportunity when we go to Shanti Niwas events, and I say, I don't want to say it, but they say something because it always comes from the heart. And I believe that, and we feel that. So this Sabka Saath Hai program mein, hum aur bhi aisi baatein pesh karenge, jo aapko pasand aayegi. Aur Nanit ji, keep up the good work. May you get lots of energy and courage.
Blessings from above. Otherwise, nothing happens, Hemant.
Well, those ones, those are here, those seniors, they are always blessing us as well. They always come and say, Beta, they want to see us, hug us, and bless us. So thank you so much. And Shanti Niwas ke is prayas mein aap shamil hua hai. Nilima ji and Nanit, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And Nanit, you have always been very supportive of Shanti Niwas, and I hope
and
to
still
continue our relationship.
Always will.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much for your time.
Love you all.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Namaste.
Namaste.